Okay, if you remember one thing, on the side of the coop here, I planted some sassafras. Looks like it's starting to come up over there. And then I planted a row of kohlrabi. Now, what is a companion plant that's an herb to kohlrabi? It's chamomile. So I'm going to plant some chamomile right on the edge. And that will have a bunch of nice flowers on this side. Nobody will think twice about it. And also maybe hide the kohlrabi in case pool gets a little thin, and people decide they want to come raid some gardens because there's no food in the stores. Possibility, folks. So, and of course, chickens are very curious about what I'm doing, of course. And if you ever looked at chamomile seeds, this is what they look like. They're very small. So it doesn't take a lot of them to seed the whole area. And once you get these growing, you can harvest a whole bunch of chamomile and use them for your teas, herbal remedies. People use chamomile tea to go to sleep, stuff like that. Basically, I'm growing this because I like the smell of it, and I use it once in a while in my tea. And it grew very well last year, so there we go. So I'll put the rest back in here if I can. If some of it gets falls on the ground over here, I'll just get more chamomile plants. So I'll finish the planting of the whole row down here. I don't think you want to sit there and watch me do the same thing over and over again. But for your information, chamomile is a great companion plant herb to kohlrabi. Thanks for watching.